I want to make a pair of shoes today. It's 5 a.m. This was like a 3 a.m. shower thought. This wind chill sucks, I'm not gonna lie. There's one thing I learned from Casey Neistat. Electric skateboard is the way to go in any major city. Well, Walmart doesn't open until 6, so we're out in the cold for 10 minutes. So I've been seeing these like viral $25 Walmart shoes all over my TikTok. That's what we're here for. I don't hate these, but that's not what we're here for. $24.98. So you gotta trust the process. You might not see the vision now, but give me like 5 minutes. These are the Avia 5000s. Nice little dad shoe, I'm not gonna lie. I hope I don't ruin them because I kind of like them. Laces and insoles out. Helps with drying time. I think we're gonna use 2 shades of blue. I have dyed a pair of shoes before. It was a pair of Coach shoes. I dyed them pink and it went okay. Are you kidding? This is the part of the DIY where it's like, do I quit while I'm ahead? This is where things might go left. Wow, these came out exactly how I pictured them in my head. Of course, we first dyed them blue and then we added purple to create this amazing gradient. I mean, that is beautiful. I added the original laces back, which were just white. Honestly, I'd love to find some purple or blue laces to kind of go better with these. I want to get into some pros and cons of this DIY, starting with the pros. Number one, this is a $35 DIY. The shoes were $25, 2 packs of dye, $5 each. I think these shoes are worth and look way better than $35. If there was ever a DIY I recommend you guys do at home, it's this one. All my hoodie dyes, all my pants dyes, they're cool. This will give you like the coolest outcome for the price. Another pro, it kind of goes along with the price, but it's very accessible. These Avia shoes in this colorway are at like every Walmart worldwide I checked. The last pro is they're very customizable. I did blue and purple. You can do whatever color you want, and I think there are some crazy combinations that you guys could do. As for the cons, when you dye the top of the shoe, you kind of have to hold them and repeatedly dip them for like 30 minutes, which can be annoying. You can put them in the dryer or use a hair dryer. I let mine air dry for like 24 hours, which is kind of a con. They're shoes, they gotta take a while to dry out. But other than that, these are definitely one of my favorite DIYs I've ever done. I think that gradient between the blue and the purple is so clean. My favorite part is that the metallic on them dyed. I didn't think that would happen. Sometimes depending on the material, it won't dye, it won't take on the color, but that metallic is so cool in the light. If you are gonna try this DIY, make sure to get Rit Dye More. That is their synthetic dye. This is synthetic material, the soles, everything. If you use their all-purpose dye, which is for cotton, it will not take. It will not dye, it will not work. Okay, now what you've all been waiting for, let's try them on. I know, I made you wait long.